A rotary encoder that doesn't turn must be broken, right? That's definitely not the case for your HAPTICORE encoder. With the customer test app, you can easily generate a complete lock with just a few clicks, making the operation of your HMI even more intuitive and safe. Hi, and welcome to another video about our HAPTICORE customer test app. As you can see, we once again start directly in the customer test app, and after we have explained the difference between the torque and the current function in another video, if you haven't watched this one, you can find the link in the video description. We first have to deactivate all other functions, and after that click on Enable Lock. Now we head over to the lock section in the parameter overview and we are ready to go. Here you can see that without any adjustments, default settings are set, including different lock modes. However, we recommend using lock mode 1 as it is optimizing your haptic experience. With the lock current, we define the strength of the lock. In our case, for our HAPTICORE Mini, we take 0.3 amps, the same value we used in our barrier video. We also have once again the possibility to activate the lock function for a certain direction. That means, by activating the clockwise value, we lock the rotation in the clockwise direction and enable it in the counterclockwise direction. Of course, this also works in reverse. Or we lock the encoder completely by activating the lock direction for both. And basically, that's it. Now it's up to you to get creative and develop new haptic feedback patterns, as you can lock the operation in one direction and combine the other direction with other haptic functions. So be sure to check out our other videos or try out the different functions yourself. Even though the video is a bit shorter this time, the lock function offers some exciting combination possibilities with other haptic feedback functions. How they work and how you can combine different functions with each other, you learn in our other videos. Otherwise, have fun creating your own haptic feedback with our HAPTICORE encoders, and feel free to share your experiences and ideas for haptic feedback patterns with the lock function in the comment section. If you have any questions about our software solutions or our HAPTICORE products and eval kits, do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Leave us a like and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss any announcements and new uploads. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.